So welcome back. So today I'm gonna be trying to make, Amelia just arrived because yesterday we weren't feeling good, so yeah. She just arrived. It's right on time. Wait, we're gonna be trying to make slime.
I think that's enough. Dish soap.
Oh, I have the perfect soap. Come on.
Yeah, that's real soap.
Okay, now we gotta add salt. Come on, guys. Okay, now let's mix. Why is this so green?
I think that's enough of soap.
Oh yeah, let's go. Yeah, sticky. Can I have it? Wow. I have the same salt. How do you? Oh, okay. Keep on recording.
O Jezu, czemu ty teraz przeżywasz te psy i te dzieci?
Okay, we added some salt and now mix.
Co to jest?
That we're making, and it's basically like dough slime. So we need a cup of conditioner and a cup of cornstarch, and then we mix, and then we just play with it.
You have to watch this, and it's gonna be true.
True.
But we still don't know about the one.
Yeah, let me show you guys.
Soap one.
Yeah.
I think in about 17 or 16 minutes, then it's gonna be ready. So we're gonna see it.
Moon slime, conditioner, and 3/4 cup of cornstarch, and then mix. Let's go.
Okay, 15 more minutes
For the other slime.
for the other slime, the whatever it's called. And now let's go do.
What's she doing?
No, she was doing. It's Monday and it smells so good and it helps.
No.
Three-fourths is right up here.
Oh, that's a lot.
Oh my joy!
Now we're gonna have to clean the whole house, my mom said.
This is not small. This is a lot. Oh my god, my phone is falling. You see that it's forming on the screen.
Now.
I think that's a lot. Alright, I think maybe a little bit more conditioner would be good. This is a big mess, but
At least this is starting to go together. The reason is we didn't really use that. It's not that corn flour. It's not. It's it's not real corn flour. But if you don't have real corn. Good. Mixing it with our hands, and I'll grab up the axis. Just grab it.
it's actually working.
Moon dough is working. Oh, it's working!
It's not that stretchy, but we can maybe.
Yeah, we just gotta make it.
It's kind of getting sticky, so add a little bit more flour. Of the flour here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this is gonna be the.
It's really good.
It's just not that stretchy. It's kind of hard.
We just gotta keep on mixing it.
I feel like it's. Don't think that became.
Here, let's shut the freezer. This did not work, but this one worked. That's good.
This one is just straight up soap, and it made me feel like I was washing soap into rice. I did not recommend that one. After finding it good, but now it's horrible. Now look at this. Oh my god, it's actually really good. This is actually really good. Wait, which one? Exactly. Normal. On the pool.
And just telling you, if you want to shut some today, I don't think because this is directly with it's not stretchy at all, because we don't have glue, so. Hi guys, I hope you like this video. And if you like this, the first one did not go well, but the second one went really well. Hope you guys like this video. Bye.